Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's discuss some important questions from banking. All competitive exam aspirants, especially those who are preparing for banking exams, must watch this video completely. Let's start. Indian economy, banking. Frequently asked questions. First question, the first bank in India, Bank of Hindustan. It was established in the year 1770. The oldest and first indigenous bank in India, Allahabad Bank, and it was established in the year 1865. The first private bank in India, City Union Bank. City Union Bank is established in the year 1904. Banking Regulation Act passed in the year 1949. So, Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year 1949. This is very important question. Then, the Central Bank of India is RBI. The Apex Bank of India, RBI. So, RBI known as both the Central Bank of India and the Apex Bank of India. Next is the bank known as Banker to Government and Bankers Bank, RBI. RBI is known as Banker to Government and Bankers Bank. So, Reserve Bank of India is known as Bankers Bank. RBI Act was passed in 1934. RBI was set up on the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission. All these questions are important. Remember, Hilton Young Commission. After the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission, RBI was set up. RBI was established on 1st April 1935. So, RBI Act was passed in the year 1934 and it was set up on the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission and RBI established in the year 1935. It was on 1st April. The headquarters of RBI, Mumbai, and Mumbai became its headquarters in the year 1937. Initial headquarters was Kolkata. RBI was nationalized on 1st January 1949. So, RBI was nationalized in the year 1949 on 1st January. The bank which issues currency notes in India, RBI. Reserve Bank of India is issuing currency notes in India. Reserve Bank of India issues all the currencies except 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note holds the signature of Finance Secretary. So, all the other currency notes hold the signature of RBI Governor, but the 1 rupee note holds the signature of Finance Secretary. The bank that represents India in IMF. IMF means International Monetary Fund. So, answer is RBI. Reserve Bank of India is the bank that represents India in International Monetary Fund, that is IMF. Signature of RBI Governor on the notes is in English and Hindi. In these two languages, RBI Governor is putting his signature on the notes. First Governor of RBI, Sir Osborne Smith. Sir Osborne Smith is the first Governor of Reserve Bank of India. But first Indian governor of RBI, C.D. Deshmukh. C.D. Deshmukh is the first Indian governor of RBI. The longest serving RBI governor, Benegal Ramarao. Benegal Ramarao is the longest serving RBI governor. The Indian Prime Minister who had served as Reserve Bank Governor, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh served as Reserve Bank Governor. Then he became our Finance Minister. After that, he became our Prime Minister. The shortest serving RBI Governor, Amitabh Ghosh. Amitabh Ghosh is the shortest serving. For a short duration, he was Governor of RBI. But for the long duration, Benegal Ramarao was the RBI Governor. First woman Deputy Governor of RBI, K.J. Udeshi. K.J. Udeshi was the first woman Deputy Governor of RBI. Present RBI Governor of India, Shaktikanta Das. We know 24th Governor was Urjit Patel. After Urjit Patel, now our 25th RBI Governor, that is Shaktikanta Das. Yes, both are important. His name also important and this number also important. He is the 25th Governor. Urjit Patel was 24th Governor and now Shaktikanta Das. The animal in the emblem of RBI, Royal Bengal Tiger. Before it was lion, then changed to Royal Bengal Tiger. The animal in the emblem of RBI is Royal Bengal Tiger. And the tree in the emblem of RBI, that is palm tree. Banking Ombudsman Scheme put forwarded by RBI. Banking Ombudsman Scheme put forward by RBI and it was established in the year 2006. But the scheme was introduced in the year 1995. So, scheme was introduced in the year 1995 and the scheme established in the year 2006. The book I Do What I Do on Reform, Rhetoric and Resolved. This book is written by Raghuram Rajan. Raghuram Rajan was the former RBI Governor. His book is I Do What I Do on Reform, Rhetoric and Resolved. Next, let's see about the State Bank of India, that is SBI. The largest commercial public sector bank in India, State Bank of India. So, SBI is the largest commercial public sector bank. Earlier name of SBI, Imperial Bank. The earlier name of SBI was Imperial Bank and it was founded in the year 1921, January 27. Imperial Bank was founded in the year 1921 and after that it changed the name as State Bank of India. So, we can tell State Bank of India founded in the year 1955. And the same year SBI nationalized. So, SBI founded in the year 1955 and it also nationalized in the same year. Headquarters of SBI, Mumbai. Mumbai is the headquarters of SBI. The founding chairman of SBI, John Mathai. John Mathai was the founding chairman of SBI. The bank having largest number of branches outside India, SBI. SBI is the bank that having largest number of branches outside India. The first Indian bank to start branch in Israel, that is SBI. The bank that started first floating ATM in India, SBI. And this first floating ATM is in Cochin to Vaikam, that is in Kerala. And it was in the year 2004. The first core banking was introduced by SBI, and the first core banking was introduced by SBI. It was in Mumbai branch. Core banking was introduced in Mumbai branch of SBI. The first woman chairman of SBI, Arundhati Bhattacharya. Arundhati Bhattacharya was the first woman chairman of SBI. Present chairman of SBI, Rajneesh Kumar. So, present chairman of SBI is Rajneesh Kumar. Now let's see the banks merged with SBI. There are 6 banks that merged with SBI. The 5 associate banks and Bharatiya Mahila Bank merged with SBI with effect from 1st April 2007. On 1st April 2007, these 5 associate banks and Bharatiya Mahila Bank merged with State Bank of India. And let's see the names of banks merged. State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Travancore, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Patiala, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. That's all about today's topic. If you think this video is beneficial, please like, share, subscribe the channel and share to all. Thank you.